So we're going to do a little bit of calculator work, figuring out how to solve a binomial probability. Let's just take an example down here below. N equals 10, x equals 3, p equals 0.2, q equals 0.8. So for example, I don't know, you've got, you're playing some game of chance, your probability of winning is 20%, probability of losing is 80%. This is a binomial because there's two possible outcomes, winning or losing. And let's say you play the game 10 times. What's the probability that you win exactly 3 times? So the 10 games makes n equals 10. 3 successes or 3 wins is x equals 3. And then p and q, your probabilities of success and failure. And we'll use here's our binomial formula. Here's how we can make it work on the calculator. I'm using a TI-83, so this is how we're going to do it. So the first part of it, we've got 10. We'll go math over to PRB probability and find, go down to factorial. So 10 factorial divided by n minus x, which is 10 minus 3, or 7. 7 math down to factorial, and it's also divided by x factorial, or 3 factorial, times probability of success, or p.2 raised to the 3rd power. So probability of success, how many successes, times probability of failure, and how many failures. And this gives us what's the likelihood of that happening. And it looks like it's about 20%, so that wouldn't be unusual. Play a game 10 times, the probability of success 20%, likelihood of winning 3 times is just over 20%. So that's a probability calculation, binomial probability calculation. Let's do another one. Let's see. Let's change our parameters a little bit here. And q would then be 0.85. So we do this. Let's clear this. So we'd have 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 4, which is 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial times p raised to the x power times q raised to the fifth power. That equals 0.028, or about 2.8%. So if I had played a game 9 times, the probability of success was 15%. The likelihood that I would win 4 games would be 2.8%, and that would be unusual. Now here's a quick little shortcut using something that we haven't looked at, but it's in your calculator. If it's helpful, use it. Another way we can rewrite this part is by saying 9, that's our n, go to math, probability, go to NCR. I'll explain that another day. Put enter and put X. Basically, here's your n, this term, here's your X, times 0.15 raised to the power of 4 times 0.85 raised to the power of 5. We should get 0.028, and in fact we do. So it's just a little shortcut. You don't have to do all the factorials. And there you have binomial probabilities.